Question. What is chemical change? What do you understand by chemical change? Understand with example. Friends, all of you must have seen rusting in iron at one time or another. So guys, can you do that iron like before? No, the iron which has been rusted cannot be the same again. Just like when you make curd from milk, a chemical reaction takes place, which we cannot make milk from curd as before even if we want. So we call such a change a chemical change, which we cannot change or bring to the previous state or form. For example, rusting of cupboards, passing of electric current in water and its decomposition into hydrogen and oxygen gases, burning the paper and wood. Friends, if you do not know what is a chemical reaction, so you can watch the video from the link given in our description. So friends, let's also see the answer given by the book. Answer. When a substance mixes with another substance to form a new substance, or when a substance changes its properties and properties by decomposing into two or more substances, it is called a chemical change. Rusting of cupboards, passing of electric current through water and its decomposition into hydrogen and oxygen gases, burning the paper and wood, etc. These are all examples of chemical changes. Okay friends, now we will meet in the next video to see and understand the full video. Thank you.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.